Welcome. The City of Waukesha is an award-winning, growing community located along the banks of the Fox River, 15 miles west of Milwaukee. Waukesha is the 7th largest city in the state, with close to 72,000 people calling Waukesha home. As the county seat for Waukesha County, the city is the manufacturing hub for the county and is home to many of the area's largest employers. The city strives to provide a diversified work environment, balanced housing stock, and strong business opportunities. The city also boasts a thriving historic downtown with a unique mix of independent retail, service, and dining options. Downtown is also known for outdoor concerts, seasonal farmers market, scenic Riverwalk, and a variety of events held throughout the year. The location on the river, historic buildings, and strong artistic culture all contribute to the unique character of the city. Waukesha also includes great neighborhoods, excellent schools, and an award-winning park system with recreational programs for the whole family. The City of Waukesha is the perfect place to live, work, play, and do business. We encourage you to take a look around.